Germs, it's your boy, Juan More Bite. I'm on my way to LA for the Gyoza Eating Championship. Decided I would do a little Coca-Cola chug of my own. Of course, I went zero. You know, we gotta stay lean and fit. Can't be having all that sugar. This one goes out to everyone who's tried the 2-liter chug without burping. I believe Stoney, Kevin Ross, LA Beast, Badlands Booker, I think Bertoletti did it too, Deep Dish. Also, I will then record my annoying burps after for Rugby721, who requested on YouTube that I do that. So yeah, we're just gonna give this a go. We're here in Baker, California at the world's largest thermometer. It's fucking hot out. I don't know why I'm even wearing pants. Fucking restricting anyways. Yeah, get some. Listen to that. Again, folks, I'm with Coke Zero. Why? I'm a personal trainer. Who the fuck wants all that sugar? Oh shit. We're also gonna time it just for fun. So, no burping, 2-liter challenge. Here's to all you guys. See you in LA. Carbonation. Here we go. Hold it in. Yeah, I got a feeling I'm gonna fail this one. Did I mention I already went to the buffet for 2 hours and ate almost everything there? Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh well. I'll still finish it. Oh, I almost shit myself there. Uh-oh. I don't care. I can handle it. I don't know if the guys driving me can. It came up both ends. Fuck it. At this point, there's no turning back. Alright. Okay. I'm in Beer Fest and I want to hit spin, but there's nothing gonna help me. Damn air bubbles. Oh well. There we go. Hope you're enjoying it. Sorry. How's that smell? Awful? Do you ketchup and onions? actually afraid to push out any more burps because I may push out of another end right now. Good thing we're right near a bathroom. Big boy. 3 minutes, 32 seconds. Nah. I still would like to have done it without burping, but hold on a second. I was afraid I was going to vomit on that one. That's why I turned away. But, yeah. That's just okay, I guess. I hope you enjoy it. Like my channel, subscribe down below. Check me out. This is going to be part of the whole Gyoza Eating Championship vlog. I'm going to meet up with the rest of the guys. Well, Mary Bowers today, and then the rest of the guys Friday and Saturday. We'll tear it up. Probably do more stupidity bullshit, but that's just how we are. See you soon.